Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2015 Triumph Bonneville T214. This is the commemorative edition because of the Bonneville Soft Flats World Fastest Triumph 214 miles per hour, 865cc twin cylinder. Really cool white and metallic blue paint scheme. This bike only has 3,700 miles. It's got the fly screen up front. I like that piping on the seat. Metzler tires and the classic pea shooter exhaust. Come on by, make your retro sport dreams come true with this awesome Bonneville T214. We've got it priced to sell for just $69.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.